Good morning. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name's Heather. Welcome to my channel. And I'm so excited you're here because today we're going to be going through what I eat in the day when I'm on the go / at the office. I'm on the WW Green Plan and I get 30 points a day. So let's get started. So I usually start my day with a Premier Protein, or this is the Members Mark Sam's Club brand, and then I'm going to go ahead and throw some Vital Collagen proteins in here. And did I say Vital Collagens protein? Vital Proteins Collagens. Anyway, so we're going to throw some of that in here because it'll get mixed up. And then you always want to take a little bit of this and pour it into whatever cup you're doing if you're going to be mixing something in here, because I'm going to take some of this Nescafe. This is instant coffee, and I'm going to do 2 scoops of this. So I don't have a funnel, and I used to always do this at the office, so I just make a little cone, stick this in here, and I grab a spoon, and I do 2 spoonfuls, and I'm just using like a regular size spoon. You can kind of see the darkness there. Put my cap on, and shake it up real good. You probably want to shake for, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute, I think is what I usually do. Okay, so now it's all shaken up. A lot of times I'll open it just to make sure there's not like, oh yeah, it looks really good. So then I'll just pour it in. And I'm going to give it a little stir before I add some ice because you can see the collagen sitting at the bottom. I found that I cannot refrigerate this the night before because the coffee, it doesn't mix well. So that's why I have to put ice in it. I'm just preparing all this stuff that I'm going to take with me. This is a pancake bake. This is 3 points worth of a pancake bake. To a Ziploc baggie here. Got some more in here. I love the smell of blueberries. Some of these will go with that. Got some Carrie's sugar-free, low-calorie syrup. Just gonna put a little bit of that in here. Not much. And the next thing I need to do is scan and figure out how many chips I can have for 2 points. I think it's 14. Yes, 14. So we'll count out 14 of these poppables for 2 points. And 13, 14. So I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then this is like a 3 to 4 points. This is 8, 9, 10, 11. Taking this for 5 points. 16, 17. Actually be 2, 17, 18. I got my little free applesauce. And then I'll be taking pudding, 19, 20. I really wanna know, really wanna know.
down. I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And
So 2.3 ounces of this trimmed lean brisket, and then I'm gonna zero it out and see how much my rib weighs. 2.6, so I'll add that into the app. I'm also gonna have, oh, you can hear my grip, a piece of toast with a Laughing Cow 1-point cheese. This is a 2-point little side. It's gonna kind of be like a grilled cheese, hopefully. Also gonna have that's a lot. Okay, so there's 2 in there. We're gonna try to split this. It's 4. It's 5, 7. So that'll do 6. And this will be about 2 points. There's the information and 50 calories. Okay, so this stuff is really easy to cook in the microwave. Those 6 I put in here, 2 minutes with no added water or anything because it grabs condensation and moisture while it's warming up from the frozen parts of it, or probably naturally from the cauliflower. And so it just goes, it just is what it looks like, and it's delicious. I do add salt, pepper, and maybe a little bit of garlic. And I'm also going to do 2 tablespoons of the no sugar added Ray's baby sauce, barbecue sauce. And it's gonna be 0 points for that. And I really only need it on this. So I think one of these rang in at 3, one of them rang in at 2. This is 2 points, and then this is 2 points, so I'm up to like 9 points for dinner. Yeah. So I actually have a grocery haul to share with you. I know the lighting's terrible. It's dark outside. I think it's a little after 8, or 8:30, who knows. I went to Aldi and Walmart. I have a couple different sandwiches that I looked up that have higher protein that I'm gonna look at making for when I go to the office. And since I was so hungry, but let's see what I got. So everything on this side is from Aldi. Picked up some of their organic turkey breast. And I believe this scanned in at 1 slice at 0 points. So I'll put on the screen how many you can have for like 1 point or whatever the serving size is so I can make sure I get my protein in. And then got some green leaf lettuce, have for salads, and then also on the sandwich. Got some zucchini so I can roast that. I actually got a can of these potatoes, but I thought I really want to try these in like a breakfast burrito. Picked up these Snaps. I love taking these. So, whoa! I bought some more of my unsweetened cinnamon applesauce from there. I love this stuff. And then I picked up some red onions. That's going to go with a couple different things I'm making. And then I thought the salad I would make would use strawberries. Strawberries are getting ready to come into season here in Florida. And then blackberries. And then moving on to what I bought at Walmart, I got some bananas. Actually, I think these actually came from Aldi. Not that it really matters. And then the tomatoes also came from Aldi. So I got a couple of Roma tomatoes. Picked up some celery. Some Granny Smith apples. This will go on the turkey bacon panini that I found a recipe for, and then some lemons. I was out of Laughing Cow cheese. Usually I buy so much of this that I never run out, but I'd been trying to be good about not going to the store unless I absolutely needed to. And then I needed some of this because I have several of the frozen pretzels that are only 4 points, the super pretzels, but I don't have anything to dip them in. I was out of this, as you saw this morning. And then I got some egg whites because I think I'm going to make burritos. And then the last thing I got are 6 yogurts. I figured out how many I'd need for the next 2 weeks to get me through the office. And then also these are such great snacks because they're so high in protein. But I believe all of these should be 2 points. If not, it'll definitely be on the screen either way. And yeah, so calorie-wise, this has 100 calories. So I really hope you enjoyed that. I ended up the day with 29 out of 30 points. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, go ahead and give it a like. I really appreciate it. What are decisions that you're making in your daytime lunches or lunches at the office? I'm really interested to find out. Leave a comment down below. And thank you so much if you've subscribed. And if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video. I try to post every day. No. I try to post on Mondays, so make sure you come back next Monday and check me out. See you soon. Bye.